Willow, come here a second.
No, I'm not gonna clean your ears.
No, that's not gonna work. She can't do it. Hi everyone.
It's Hey Guys.
Hey guys.
And welcome back to the Crazy Seeds. Today we are baking cookies.
Woohoo! All right, so we're doing a very traditional chocolate chip cookie. I think you need to know the basics before you go and get super fancy.
Yeah.
I do have a little twist on the Toll House recipe that I stole from Mrs. Fields when she was on Oprah, like in the 1980s. So I'm dating myself for sure.
Okay, so here are our ingredients. The
Vanilla extract. I like really good vanilla extract.
brown sugar.
Brown.
You can use white sugar, but brown sugar tastes better. Then 2 frozen sticks of butter, but let them thaw in tiny ones, right?
That's right.
Then the 2
Eggs.
I was letting you say.
Oh, thank you.
And then the
Semi-sweet chocolate chips. Mm-hmm. Best part, but when you pull them out of the bag, you want to just kind of like take a little sample. You want a sample. Okay.
then the flour.
And the flour. And then here we've got our salt and baking soda. Alright, so we're going to start. What we do is we cream the sugar and the egg, or cream the sugar and the butter and the vanilla.
Okay.
And that's why you want your butter nice and thawed.
Do I use my hands?
You can. Are they clean?
Yes.
Okay, well that's good.
Well, after I got back from school.
That's always important to wash your hands first. Next up, we're going to do the vanilla, and the Toll House recipe calls for 1 teaspoon, but we're going to do 2. That was
Like
some,
you said at the beginning.
that's right. So I'm going to pour, and she's going to dump. All right, here we go.
Dump it into.
Dump it in. Come on in. All right. Now,
Remember, it does not have to be placed exactly how we do it. Everything is placed differently. It
Okay.
has to be exact same spot.
so now you got to raise the arm, and then we're going to turn on it, and then we'll be right back in a minute after we cream
Mommy.
the butter and
No,
the sugar and the
what do
vanilla.
we turn it up to?
Around 2.
Okay.
All right.
2?
2. We'll be right back.
Bye.
Okay, so now we've creamed the butter, sugar, and vanilla. What's that face? Oh my goodness. And now we're gonna add the eggs and then
We
slowly.
just pre-cracked them.
Yeah, I cracked them for us, so everything's good. Put them in. And by the way, we started at 2. We ended up at like 4 to 6 to cream. You gotta get that KitchenAid up.
Let's
so-
start off with 2 just to get a little slow.
Here we go.
It's not up.
Oh, whoops. Details. All right,
And
so.
put it on 2 when you're stirring
So
up.
now what we're gonna do is slowly add
Oh,
the
and
flour.
one more thing.
What?
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees first thing you do.
Right. So we're gonna be back in a minute after we've creamed and put in the flour. Okay, so now we've creamed the flour, the salt.
Don't forget to make sure someone licks the thingy.
Okay, so as a disclaimer, you're really not supposed to eat raw foods, but who doesn't eat the cookie batter? So I just got it back and she's having a little bit. So all the thing left I have to do is add the chocolate chips. And I'm gonna switch out my spoon from the spatula, which is great when you're mixing, to a wood spoon because we need it to be a little bit firmer.
Give it to someone else to lick.
Give it to someone else to lick. Your brother, I'm sure, will be here in a few minutes. Hey, where did she come from?
Willow!
Oh my God, Willow, what are you doing here? Don't call the health department. We're not supposed to have animals in here. Uh-oh. She's mad. Should we give her the spoon? No, that's probably not good for dogs. All right, so now we've mixed it.
Whoopsies!
You can see it's ready to put on. We're gonna use a little teaspoon.
Dog's traumatized.
Uh-oh, Caroline's not gonna help because she's now totally focused on her licking and spatula. And so I'm gonna start. I use a little teaspoon, make them into little balls. Make sure you spread them out.
Also,
Then
all
when
come
they
together.
cook, they don't hit each other. ready?
Still eating.
You're still eating. All right, well, she's gonna still eat. I've preheated the oven. It's ready to go. I'm gonna put them in.
Remember, 350 degrees.
I'm scooching her over so she doesn't get burned. I'm gonna put them on the center rack
Mommy,
and put them on for about 12 minutes.
Mommy,
I'm gonna set the timer right now.
Mommy.
All right, well, thank you guys for...
And we're giving a shout out to our only watcher, our grandma.
My mom. Thanks, Grandpa. Thanks, Mom, for watching us. We're...
And my cousins and Uncle and Aunt.
That's true. So we have like maybe 5 followers. Right on.
More than 5. That's it.
Oh, that's
6 or 7.
All right, well, thanks for watching.
Okay.
Where can they find
See you next time. You can only find us here unless you find our family.
That's right. And we don't know what we're doing next time, but you'll see us next week. Willa, oh, she's looking at those cookies. All right, love you. Bye. All right.